I'm Jane. Welcome to my 1990s apartment. It's an extra kitchen, guest area, room for the kids when they come home, but it's time to get it out of the 90s. We're gonna get rid of this drop ceiling, new flooring, and update the bathroom. We're absolutely delighted to be working with Let's Remodel, Paulina and Pavel, and here we are, ready to tear it apart and start all over. Pavel, Paulina, and their crew of skilled craftsmen and designers have been hard at work to transform this accessory apartment into something that is updated, new, and totally functional. The biggest change was the ceiling that dropped down and had the horrible fluorescent light and the cabinets that came across. It's now open. I've got this great countertop with good lighting so I can sew, do crafts, painting, and after I'm through working, there's a great sink over here, deep sink. I can clean up all the paint supplies, doesn't stain, doesn't scratch, no more Comet to take care of it. It's wonderful. The old fiberglass phone booth shower has been replaced with a spacious tile shower that gives so much more room and function to this bathroom. The only problem is if my adult sons come and visit, they just might stay too long.
Hi, this is Paulina with Let's Remodel. As you can see, even an accessory kitchen or apartment should be beautiful and easy to use. This project is a great proof. If you happen to have an extra kitchen, don't let it go. Remodel it with us and it will be the best thing that you ever done. As Jane mentioned before, be careful. If you have guests over or adult kids, they might not ever leave because now this place is so beautiful. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or check our website www.letsremodel.net.